The original station for Perry Barr was built by the Grand Junction Railway in 1837, and so the station is the oldest one of its original site in the city, and one of the oldest continuously operated station sites in the world. The Grand Junction became part of the London North Western Railway, then the London Midlands Scottish Railway, and each owned the station in turn. Together with the rest of Britain's railways, it was nationalised in 1948. The station was rebuilt when the lines were electrified in 1966 as part of the London Midland Region's electrification programme. The actual energisation of the line through Coventry to Walsall through Aston took place on the 15th of August 1966. In 2019, the West Midlands Rail Executive and Transport for West Midlands put forward proposals to redevelop Perry Barr Station along with a new bus interchange in time for the 2022 Commonwealth Games, which was to be held in Birmingham. Proposed designs were revealed in September of 2020. Further revisions were proposed in December, and designs were approved, and the station was closed on the 10th of May 2021 for redevelopment, and with the station reopening on the 29th of May 2022. The new building has a bronze-coloured frieze depicting athletes. So let's get started at the new look Perry Barr with 350-402, working the 1442 West Midlands Railway service of Wolverhampton to Walsall. Arriving next into the station is 350-104, working the 1451 West Midlands Railway service of Walsall to Wolverhampton. Next passing through the station is 67021, hauling 92036 and 92011, working OA06 from Crewe TMD to Wembley HS. Watch out behind you there, buddy. It's 390-130, working 1 Sierra 72 from London Euston to Glasgow Central. Riding his heels for Avanti West Coast is 390-122, working 1H69 from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly. Nice. First freight working of the video is 66534, working 4 Lehman 90 from Trafford Park FLT to Felixstowe North. Next train out for departure is V350-243 with the 1512 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. And passing next through the station is 390-103, working 1 Alpha 47 for Avanti West Coast from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston. Next freight train of the video is 66523, working 4M63 from Felixstowe North to Trafford Park FLT. Arriving next into the station is 350-402, working the 1520 West Midlands Railway service of Walsall to Wolverhampton. Pass through the opposite direction for Avanti West Coast is 390-126, working 1H27 from London Euston to Manchester Piccadilly.
As a result, amended timetables will be in operation during this time. Check your journeys before you travel and on the day for the latest information. Pushchairs.
Next break to pass through the station 10 minutes late is 66770, working 4 Lima 68 from Birch Coppice to London Gateway. Next pass through the station is 390-135, working 1 Alpha 48 for Avanti West Coast from Manchester Piccadilly to London Euston.
If you see or hear something that doesn't seem right, speak to staff. Text the British Transport Police on 61016. See it, say it, listen to it.
And here comes our train in the form of 350-405, working the 1544 West Midlands Railway service from Wolverhampton to Walsall. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. If you enjoyed what you saw, click on the 2 videos here at the end screen. Helps out the channel. Also, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe if you are new and got this far. And we'll see you all in the next video, folks, wherever that may take us. We'll see you then, folks.